Hi, this is Shazam, and me and my son, we're going to show you guys how to do your hair at home for men. This is just for temporary time. So first thing we need to know is that the ring finger goes in here and your baby finger rests here. That's how we're going to do it, okay? So first thing we need to do is the guideline. So about an inch on top of the head separated, and just bring it straight up. And cut whatever you like to do, whatever length you like to cut. Then just continue this to the back area. Then you come to back of the head and just grab, you have the guideline now, just use your finger, come on this side, and just straight up and follow your guideline. Comb the hair underneath, bring it up, and just make it even. And when you come to this side, you've got to follow the shape of the head. And just do that. And just follow this way. And on the side, you could just do it with the scissor as well. Just scissor over the comb. You just go like that. But can you come closer? Just like that. Okay. Just clean it up a little bit. That's all. And if you have a clipper, you could do with clipper as well, which is, they have different number on them. I'm going to use number 2. Just do number 2 and just trim it a little bit shorter. So try not to go too high, just come straight out. And if you decided to go shorter, you could use a lower number, which is, this is 1.5. You could do shorter. And even if you want to do shorter, you just close it and do 1. Then later on, what you need to do is, if you have a trimmer, just cut the length you like. And that would be all. I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much. Hopefully we see you guys soon. Thanks.